Hello everyone, today we will start with the basic histology structure of fibroblast. So, what is a fibroblast and what are the different function of fibroblast? So, fibroblast is the most common and most abundant cells of connective tissue, mostly found in all connective tissue. So, what is the function of fibroblast? So, there is a most common two function, the secretion of collagen fiber. So, all the collagen fiber mostly secreted by the fibroblast and extracellular matrix. These two are the most common function of the fibroblast. So, how the fibroblast look like? It is a typical stellate shape in surface view and spindle shape in profile view. Okay, so this is the epithelium. So stratified epithelium. These are the fibroblasts. These are the spindle shape fibroblast. These are the fibroblast. Okay, so fibroblast is a active cell. Fibroblast is active cell. It secrete different proteins, okay, mostly collagen fiber. So collagen fiber also is an abundant protein of the body, okay, most abundant protein of the body that is secreted by the fibroblast. So please remember secretion of the collagen fiber from the fibroblast and also degradation of the collagen fiber from the fibroblast. Inactive form of the fibroblast called as fibrocyte. Okay, so please remember the cells that has blast, they are active cells. In the end they has blast like osteoblast, cementoblast, amyloblast, chondroblast. These are the old cells, these are the active cells. They form something, mostly proteins and collagen fiber. So these are the active cells. Cells that has site in the end, they are inactive cells. So size of the blast or active cells larger than the size of the sites. Okay, like fibrocytes has a smaller size compared to the fibroblast. Okay, so this is blast. So this is the active cell and this is the site. This is the inactive cells. Okay, one more term, that is pericyte. 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 So pericyte mostly referred as a term that mostly used for the fibroblast that surrounding the blood vessels. Fibroblast or fibrocyte that surrounding the blood vessels, that fibroblast called as a pericyte. So this is the electron microscopic view of the single cell, that is the fibroblast, most abundantly found in the connective tissue. Okay, this is also cell that most abundant in the pulp. Okay, most abundant in pulp. So these cells has extensive fibroblastic or cytoplasmic process. These are the cytoplasmic process. Okay, from this cytoplasmic process this cell attached to the another fibroblast. Okay, active fibroblast has large nucleus. The nucleus is large nucleus. Okay, numerous mitochondria in the cytoplasm. Okay, this cytoplasmic process also called as a cell process. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum is more number of the rough endoplasmic reticulum is high in the fibroblast because the rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for protein synthesis. Okay, and collagen is a protein, or all the extracellular matrix, that is the protein. Okay, and you can see numerous secretory granules, numerous Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus responsible for the sorting of the protein. Okay, ribosome responsible for the formation of the protein. These are the secretory granules through which the fibroblast secrete the protein into the connective tissue or extracellular matrix. Okay, so this is the structure of fibroblast that has extensive process or cell process or cytoplasmic process, okay, by which it attaches to the another cells. So please remember fibroblast have both function, synthetic synthesis of the collagen fiber and degradation of the collagen fiber. So this is basic structure of fibroblast. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.